Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the January month's Mini Grabox. I had ordered both the boxes and both came in together, but we're going to be seeing each of the box in separate videos. So without any further ado, let me just get started with this month's unboxing of the Mini Grabox, and also all of the details to purchase the box will be there in the description box. And before we go ahead, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you're subscribed and also hit on the notification bell icon so that you don't miss any of the future videos. And enough of talking, and let's just get started. So the first product in the Mini Grabox is this earring that you see right here, which is Mina earrings, which is priced at rupees 350. This is how it looks on me. I really liked the earring. It looks nice on face like me. Like, I have a very small face, but it still looks nice, and it doesn't uh, look that heavy as well. It's kind of lightweight. I really like it. So that's the first product for this month's box. And then the second product is this one, which is their own Multani Mitti, which is priced at rupees 150 for 100 grams of product. So this packaging looks really nice, very sort of high quality packaging, and this comes with a zipper sort of a closing so that you can use it. Just zip lock it again so that you don't tend to have the Multani Mitti exposed to moisture and any of that sort. So that's the second product in the Mini Grabox. So the next product is a lip product from Me Now. So this is how it looks, which is the Prolong Wear Lip Gloss. It says it is a lip gloss, but this doesn't dry to a glossy finish. So this is the shade that I've got. I totally did not like it because I'm not going to use it anyway. This is not my sort of a shade. This would totally wash me out. So, and this is in the shade Squash, if you're wondering, and if you would want to get it. I know that was really sarcastic, but that's okay. So this one retails for rupees 200, and yeah, that's the next product in the box. And then is also a makeup product from SFR Color, which is a concealer palette. So the one that I've got is a color correcting palette, which has a eyelid shade, normalizer, natural shade, a brightening shade, a neutralizer, and also a cover shade. It comes with a brush like this, which looks nice, and this one is for 350 rupees. So I think SFR Color and Me Now are my first time use, so I've never used any products from these brands before, so I am sort of surprised and excited to try them because I've heard good things about Me Now lipsticks and stuff, but I've never used any. So SFR Color, I have no clue. So let's try this out and see how it works. So yeah, that's the next product. You see me there. And the last product in the box is a body wash from Facon as well. So this is in the flavor strawberry, and you get 100 ml of the body wash for rupees 250. So overall you get products worth rupees 1300 in this month's Mini Grabox, which is sort of a good deal. And yeah, so yeah, one thing about this body wash is that it doesn't smell strawberry. It smells like a typical chemically readied body wash. Yeah, so you have the ingredients list also. I think this is handmade. Yeah, this is handmade. This is not tested on animals, and also this is paraben free, no preservatives added, which is a good thing, of course. Yeah, so that's the last product of this month's Mini Grabox. I sort of like the box. It's not that I love the box, but I kind of like the box for the pricing and the products that you've got. I'm excited to try all of the products except for the lip gloss. So if you liked the box, you can go ahead and purchase before it goes out of stock. And also, if you like this video, make sure to like it and also subscribe to my channel without fail. And yeah, I'll see you guys with another video. Till then, take care. Bye.